Hi, this is Doug with A-Twit Engineering, and today I'm going to show you a foolproof method for making soft-boiled eggs. And in fact, this method can be used for soft-boiled, hard-boiled, or what I prefer in between and I call Jello-Boiled. So the first step here is obviously to fill the pot with water. And let the water run for just a few seconds, get that deep well water, and fill it up to about an egg and a half height in your pot, probably. All right, we turn the water on high, and if you cover it, the water will probably boil faster. So let's wait for the water to start boiling. Okay, so I have a vigorous boil going on. Time to lower the eggs in. I'm going to be lowering the eggs in gently with the spoon, so just to minimize the chance that they crack and spew their guts into the water. And now that I've put the eggs in, you'll notice that the water kind of stops boiling, especially if you put a lot of eggs in. I'm going to wait for the water to get back to a vigorous boil, and then that is when I'm starting a timer. So let's wait for the water to really start boiling again. Okay, so the water has started boiling again, so this is when I'm going to press start on my timer for 7 minutes in this case to get the Jello boiled. So this is the key for the entire technique. You want to start your timer when the water starts boiling after you put the eggs in. That is the key. You can try like 6 minutes, 30 seconds for more of a softer boiled egg, 7 minutes for the Jello boil that I'm going for, and then hard boiled. You have to experiment with different types of eggs. Larger eggs will take more time to cook through the middle. That kind of thing. Maybe different water cooks at different temperatures. So let's wait for the timer to go off, and then we'll pull the eggs out and see how they look. Okay, so the timer is about to go off here. 2, 1. Alright, so we take it off the heat, turn off our annoying timer, and here's where we have to quickly flush it with cold water, because you don't want the eggs to keep on cooking in the hot water while it's just sitting there. So flush it a few times. And just let it sit for a second and we'll cut open the egg. Alright, let's see what these eggs look like inside. Alright, looks like they're pretty good. They're a little more molten than I would usually make, so looks like I probably rushed on video or something like that. But these are pretty good. If you put them in the fridge, they'll solidify further. So yeah, that's about it. You might ask, why make a soft-boiled egg or a Jello-boiled egg when you can make a hard-boiled egg and it's just easier? Well, I think there's more nutritional value. The softer you boil it. You don't want to go too soft though, because then you get the egg white runny, and that is just disgusting. So yeah, definitely I prefer that Jello boiled because it's in between hard boiled and soft boiled, and you can take it on the go. It's nice and convenient and still healthy. As I said, this method you can use it for any kind of level of boiling that you want. The key is to start your timer when the water starts boiling again after you've put your eggs in, because the eggs don't really cook unless the water is boiling. I've experimented with that and left the eggs in just below the boiling point for a long amount of time, and they don't really cook at all. You need that boiling point. So that's it. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like, share, comment, subscribe in reverse order, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.